Hi there, I'm Jennifer Horvath from the Vitamix culinary team. Today I'm going to show you how to use one of our Vitamix machines to make our Hint of Mint smoothie. On your machine you'll see an on-off switch, a high-speed variable speed switch, and a variable speed control dial. We'll show you how to utilize all of these in our recipe. You'll see that your machine will come with one accessory, a tamper. This helps with tougher blends like nut butters, hummus, or frozen desserts. But we'll get into that in a few minutes. Let's start by placing the container on the base and start loading it with the ingredients. The best way is to start with the liquids and smaller ingredients first and build up to the heavier ingredients. The heavier ingredients will push everything down towards the blades for easier blending. It's important to note that all the ingredients should be added in the order they're listed in the recipe. So here we go. 1 cup of water, 1½ cups of green grapes, 4½ cups of loosely packed fresh spinach, 6 to 8 fresh mint leaves, 2½ cups of fresh pineapple chunks, and 1 cup of ice cubes. This recipe makes 3½ cups. Secure your lid and do not remove the lid while blending. Next, ensure that the dial is set to variable speed 1 and the high variable switch is set to variable. Turn the machine on and slowly increase to variable speed 10. And then high. If you notice that your blend isn't moving well enough, you can use the tamper to help. Remove the lid plug and push the ingredients using the tamper in a clockwise motion towards the blades. The tamper is designed to be short enough not to hit the blades, so there's no need to worry about damaging your machine. After your 50 seconds of blending, your smoothie will be ready. Just pour into a glass and enjoy.
The A3500 features 5 program settings for smoothies, frozen desserts, hot soups, dips and spreads, and self-cleaning. A new programmable timer helps you create consistent recipes. It displays how long your blend has been running, how much time is left on your program setting, or stops the blender automatically when the time you've entered is complete. Add in variable speed control and pulse, and you can stretch your creativity with confidence. When it's time to wash up, the containers are self-cleaning and dishwasher safe. The sleek touchscreen panel easily wipes clean. Vitamix is the first to offer a complete system of containers with wireless connectivity. That means the machine reads each container and automatically adjusts blending times. So what are you waiting for? Grind, blend, create hot soups, frozen desserts, and more. Live a healthy life with flavor and gusto. The A3500 with a 10-year warranty. Part of the Ascent series from Vitamix. A2300 features a new built-in digital timer that displays how long your blend has been running, helping you achieve just the right texture every time. Add in variable speed control and pulse, and you can stretch your creativity with confidence. When it's time to wash up, the containers are self-cleaning and dishwasher safe. Vitamix is the first to offer a complete system of containers with wireless connectivity. That means the machine reads each container and automatically adjusts blending times. So what are you waiting for? Grind, blend, create hot soups, frozen desserts, and more. Live a healthy life with flavor and gusto. The A2300 with a 10-year warranty, part of the Ascent series from Vitamix.